another day, another job. These rear quarter windows are finally coming out and getting replaced with something proper. As you can see, they're not very stuck in anymore, full of shit. Same with the other side. So we've got some proper rear window blanks coming that will sit in and hopefully look a lot nicer. One off, simple as that. That's how good they were in. Bit messy, probably give that a tidy up. Lovely job. Ooh, big spider. And number two. Whoa, it's a bit tighter this side. One. I've got a feeling this one's going to be a bit harder to get out because I did reseal this one. Alright. There's a key somewhere. There she is. Alright, let's give it a tug. Yeah, not ideal. I wanted it to come out in a bit of a bigger chunk than that, if I'm honest.
What happened?
Just a freaking, the corner broke off. At least I can actually get to this one though. Oh god, window glue's doing bits on this one.
I've got that wallpaper scraper.
That might work. If I can get it in at the sides, maybe.
Go from the inside.
Yeah.
Just dig it out.
Okay. Not as simple on this one. I'll come back when I've got two hands on it. Yeah, resealing this might have not been a good idea. Bloody worked though.
Oh, that's coming out alright. Was. All the fun and games.
Beautiful.
Concentration, please.
Don't scratch the paintwork, please.
Oh, lovely. ASMR.
Oh, Nissan.
I'm scared I'm a bit close, not having any iPro on here. I'm going to move.
And there we go. The other one was a little trickier to get out. Took a bit of persuasion, but we got that. So they're pretty much ready. I'll clean them up a little bit. But if anyone knows anything about window fitting, having a bit of this stuff to glue onto already actually helps bond. So hopefully they'll just slot in nicely, reseal, good to go. Okay, I may have forgot to film the install process of the new window blanks. Basically all I did was stick some black stuff on the other side, plonk them in, tape them on, job done, give it 24 hours, it dried solidly, and then I went around the inside with some window sealer as well, or Gorilla Glue, whatever it's called, mastic-y type stuff. But yeah, they're in there, they're solid and they're watertight, so job's a good one.